channel. This Brazilian fish stew is quick to make and packed full of flavor, making it perfect for any weeknight. All right, you guys, so here I have 1.5 pounds of cod. I'm gonna cut it up into big chunks and marinate it in a bowl with a sprinkle of salt and the juice and zest of a lime. If you're new here on my channel, be sure to subscribe. I post unique videos weekly. Now pop the fish into the fridge to chill, and in a pot, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to heat up, and I'm gonna be adding some chopped up veggies. I have here 1 white onion, a cup of chopped up carrots, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 de-seeded jalapeno, and of course 4 cloves of chopped up garlic. You're gonna season all of these flavorful veggies with 2 tablespoons of paprika and a teaspoon of cumin. Saute everything on a medium heat until it's all nicely translucent. I want to tell you guys a little secret. Whenever you're making a soup, however long you saute your veggies for in the beginning of the recipe is how deep and flavorful your soup will turn out, so always remember this tip. Finish up by adding a cup of chopped tomatoes, and I have a bunch of fresh parsley. This is a spoonful of tomato paste going to be added for richness, and the broth I'm using today is 1 cube of chicken bouillon that was dissolved in 1 cup of hot water. As you can probably already tell, this soup is going to be insane. I mean, look at this color, but it's going to be taken to a whole other level. This is a 14-ounce can of coconut milk being added. You're going to bring this up to a simmer and cook it covered on a medium-low heat while all the magic happens. I'm telling you all now, this is an extremely unique and special recipe from the beautiful country of Brazil. Nothing else could ever compare. After about 30 minutes, this rich and flavorful broth is ready. I'm going to go ahead and add the chunks of fish, and you'll be surprised by how marinated the cod in the lemon juice really takes away the fishy smell, which frozen fish tends to have a little stronger smell over the fresh variety. Now get some steam rice ready, because after a few minutes, when you're able to break the cod apart with your fork, dinner is ready. Wow, look at that. This is guaranteed to be one of the most best soups you will ever try. I just guarantee it. You will not be able to stop slurping up this broth. It's full of fresh and flavorful ingredients. It's just simply delicioso. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist. Deve ser uma palavra de amor, uma palavra na